Hello, this is Andrew Undem with the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and today we're at the brand new sales trailer of DRB Homes in the Baltimore Peninsula community, Locke Landing. They are selling about 3 to 4 to 5 homes every week since they opened 7 weeks ago, and we are so excited about this new community. Check out the site plan. There's going to be over 300 townhomes here. We're going to take you through the model shortly. And this brand new community is fantastic. In Baltimore City, it's very rare to get a brand new neighborhood complete with walking trails on the water, and that's what you have here at Locke Landing in Baltimore Peninsula, formerly known as Port Covington. 300 townhomes, and we're gonna show you the Rockland, which is a 20-foot wide townhome, 4 stories with tons of options. So comes standard 2-car garage with a rec room, but you can add a bathroom. You can add a study with a bath. You can add a 4th bedroom with a bath. The 2nd floor, add a gourmet kitchen, add a walk-in pantry. There's so many options to configure. And up on the 4th floor, it comes with a beautiful loft with a rooftop deck with incredible views. And you can add a 5th bedroom or a 2nd owner's suite. I urge you to come check out the sales trailer here at Locke Landing. Click the link in the post. You have direct access. You can come anytime, meet the fantastic sales rep, Jen, here with DRB Homes, and she'll show you more. Let's go check out the model. Before we take you inside the model home, just to get your bearings straight, this is where we are. If you pan over this way, you're gonna see the sales trailers, and we have DRB Homes here and K. Havanian. Now, K-Hav is building condos. DRB is building the 2-car and 1-car garage townhomes. And you can see the first row right here. Let's check out the model. The Rockland floor plan is the 20-foot wide 4-story townhome. On the main level, you have your 2-car garage and tons of options. If you want an additional bedroom, a study, a full bath, a half bath, or just a rec room, all of those options are available. Welcome to the 2nd level. This is where you're going to be living here most of the time in this property. Wide open floor plan, enormous family room, and this is the model home of the Rockland here at Locke Landing. You're going to see a lot of options, but these homes obviously are stunning. Now, important to note, every home in this community gets a brownfield tax credit. What's the brownfield tax credit? It is a credit that reduces your property taxes 70% for 10 years. It's an enormous savings. It's one of the biggest savings you can get as a homeowner in Baltimore City. This community has it based on all the development work they had to do to get this place ready for residential homes. Now, Long Island, beautiful kitchen, tons of natural light, deep pantry, big powder room, and so many incredible options. Upstairs on the 3rd floor, you have a lot of different bedroom configurations. The owner's suite is to die for. Most of the items you're seeing are included in the base price. So please contact us, and we'd love to connect you with the folks at DRB Homes so you can learn more about how to make one of these your own. Welcome to the 4th floor of the Rockland floor plan. Here you're gonna see an open space loft. They opted to add a 5th bedroom with another full bath on this floor, but so many options on the 4th floor. You can make this the primary suite. You can have 2 primary suites in the home, up to 5 bedrooms in this 4-story townhome. But check out the views. Here we are on the 4th story patio. This is gonna end up being, again, 300 townhomes. There's gonna be 24-foot wide townhomes, all facing the water. Those will be over $1 million. K. Havanian building condos over here. DRB Homes has all the townhomes. So if you're looking for an unbeatable location here in the Baltimore Peninsula with so much going on, I'm looking at Under Armour's brand new headquarters. We have tons of commercial property, restaurants, apartments, green space in this brand new neighborhood of Baltimore Peninsula. If you want to live here with walking trails, with an unbelievable tax credit, the time is now. Pricing typically goes up every 3 to 4 sales, and they're selling 3 to 4 every week here at Locke Landing with DRB Homes. If you want more information on our take on pricing, the velocity of the market, what's coming to Baltimore Peninsula, What's the timing of all these types of things? And what we believe is going to be an unbelievably popular neighborhood, not just now, but well into the future. Contact me, Andrew Undem, or anyone at the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and we'll take good care of you and fill you in on all things Baltimore Peninsula and Locke Landing.